Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, today, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Well, we have a spring kit. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Now, this kit comes from the FGNormal store, and if they have any discount codes, any specials, or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's flip this over. As you can see, they do show you how to do stitching. Here it is all in Chinese, but you can kind of follow the pictures to see just what you got going here. So very nice. I like that they do that for people that don't know how to do certain stitches. You know, it happens to all of us. All right, let's flip this over. Now I have to figure out which way it goes. I believe it goes like this, although it is, you know, pasted on here like that, but I don't think they're hanging off a rock here. It is an 11 count. It is 75 by 112, 280 stitches by 441 stitches. So I'm glad it's at least 11 count. Let me open up the box. It does come with instructions on how to start, how to finish, which is nice for if you don't know that. Let me see if I can meander this thing out of this box, and we can lose the box for 5 minutes. Let me put it over there somewhere and then just do a complete flip. Oh, no, that didn't work out so much. Hang on. We're stretching. All right, it does come with an instruction booklet. Very nice. It is stapled up here at the top. We're going to lose that staple. Give me a second. All right, we got the staple off. So it does have the product number, how big it is, like how many stitches per stitches. Very beautifully illustrated. Going to be some back stitching. Let me see if I got this upside down. I don't know. This bird's giving me hell. I either have it right or I have it wrong. But you can see the back stitching in the flowers, around the bird's eye, around its feet. But yet the background doesn't have too much back stitching, so it's mainly those white stitches, or white flowers back there, just so they'll pop out a little bit. And it is broke down into 9 parts. We have a total of, are you ready, ladies and gentlemen, 83 colors. Holy cow. Oh my goodness gracious, mio mio. Let me flip this over just a second. We have full mix stitch. We have full half. Now it says full stitch, but it's a half stitch on these symbols, and back stitch. So you have 83 in full stitch, and you have 4 in full stitch but mixed colors, 3 in the half stitch, and 1, 2, 3, 5 in the back stitch. So let's take a look at what the colors are. We have 310 black, we have 321 red, which I call Christmas red. It's a true red. I'm not sure what those are. Let's see, anything else? No, 550 purple. Could have swore it said, did I miss that? We do have 666 red. So there's 84 colors. It's just not showing up on the main thing here. No, wait, 23. We do have 939. No, 3371. We have 3865 and B5200 for white. And we have that pewter color 3799. So they're evidently using that between that and the 310 black. Let me see if there's any colors over here I recognize. Nope, other than 310 black and the 5200. For your back stitch, there's that pewter color. It's in a half cross stitch. You are going to have to do the Chinese symbol. You don't have to do it. If you want, you can, but it's in back stitching. And in 666 red. But very beautifully illustrated. Looking for the page numbers here, basically. Page number is at the very bottom here. At the very bottom here. We'll turn it around again. So you can just follow section by section if you'd like. Look at all those greens. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, this is going to be very detailed. I just love the bird. I mean, it's just phenomenal. And, you know, when you look at it, it's not that, what do you call it? That not detailed, confettied like I thought it would be. They're more in rivers of colors. I love the pink blossoms, the blue bird. So, yeah, just a lot going on here. It's kind of hard to take in. I like the brown colors of the rock, the tree. We even have a couple yellow birds here. So, very nice. Let's take a look at the colors before we look at the canvas. Now, what I dropped when I opened it was this extra bag of threads. And these are cotton threads. They're not Egyptian. So, in a way, that's okay. I can deal. But very beautiful sets of greens. Kind of a, it's not a navy. It's more of a dark teal. It's got some green in it. Kind of weird. We do have 3 thread cards, and we have 4 needles in here. So that's nice. Let me shake it out so we can get a handle on what's going on. But lots and lots of greens. Beautiful reds. Your 310 black. Greens. Look at those. That blue for that bird. Ugh. Can you ever? Holy cow. If you love green, this is your puppy. I mean, I like green as well as the rest of them, but it's not my favorite color. You know that. But it's very evenly distributed in this picture, so everything else picks it all up. But lots of details in this. Some more blues, some brick red, some muted bubblegum pink. That is a lot of pink. I guess that's for the flowers. So, yeah, more greens, more blues. Kind of a magenta color. Gorgeous. Then over here we have more pinks and more greens. Look at that peacock blue. Ugh. Can you ever? Can you ever? Oh my goodness. Yeah, this will be just absolutely stunning when it's done. Let me put them all together. And then just kind of do it that way. But lots and lots of colors. I'm not seeing a lot of purple. There's more blues, reds, and pinks, and greens than anything. No purple. But just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me see if I can get it wound up. So, whoop, nope. Got to put you with that, because heaven forbid we lose that. This was going to need a bag for itself, because it came in a box, and I don't want to have to deal with the box. Let's take a look at that canvas. Now, you notice, do I have anything to compare to? We'll just take this. It's still kind of sitting here. You can tell that it's kind of an eggshell color, where this is pure white. So, very, very nice. I do like the off color. Let's see if we can get it going here. But it's nice that they put them in their own bag. They stay safe that way. Whoops. You knew I had to hit that, right? I mean, seriously. See what this is going to look like. It is a little stiff. It'll need to be crunched down. It is serged all the way around. You're going to have to refer to your paper pattern. Oh, that was one thing I forgot to show you. Let me get that. Just 1 second. Hold, please. Where is it? Come on, puppy. Come out of there. So we're going to use this as an example. The outside number belongs to the canvas. The inside number belongs to the paper pattern. So this is a full cross mixed color stitch, and they're all the same symbols. So I don't know how much they've put on here. Let me just get that there. So you have the mixed colors. There are 2 numbers there. They're very faint. So like I said, refer to your paper pattern if you have to. And they only show 1 color in the back stitching here. I don't know why they did that. It's kind of weird. And here's your half. Sorry. Okay, hold please. Gotta move the Coke out of the way because we don't need any accident. There's your back stitch, but there are, what did I say, 5 colors? Yeah, 5 colors in back stitch. I don't know why they didn't print it out there. This is your half cross stitch, and all of your other colors run right down the side. They are very, very faint. I mean, if you got right on top of it, you can see them. But the symbols are awesome. Very well printed. I don't know if it's just the fabric. I'm going to move them scissors too before I jam myself. I don't know if it's the fabric that causes them to look so light. And the serging is into the numbers down here. Once I can see this and everything else is on a thread card, I don't have a problem. It's the thread drops with the serging coming into those numbers, because then you can't read them at all, and half the time it doesn't match. But this is very well printed on this fabric. Very easy to see. I believe that the back stitching is going to bring it all out. So it'll be very, very easy to stitch on. Now this fabric, I'm just going to kind of crunch it. Crunches very well, so it'll break down the way it's supposed to very easily and very nicely. But very, very clear symbols. I hope you're seeing this. Just a beautiful, stunning canvas. I will not be able to measure this, but you can see all the flowers, all the details. So they're going to put 84 colors into use, into making this very detailed and beautiful. It is a partial. You do not stitch this outside color at all. So that is just absolutely wonderful. I can hardly wait to start on the bird. The bird is just like my center of focus, but the printing is phenomenal. Just phenomenal. It almost looks like a 9 count, only because I've been stitching on with a 14 count Ada for so long. But just beautiful. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Does have the product number and how many stitches by how many stitches at the top. Very beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous, stunning canvas, threads, everything. I can hardly wait to see this in action, and you know how all these colors are all going to go together. It's exciting. It really is. I do like that part. But it's big, but it's got bigger areas and not so much confetti. So that is awesome as well. Now that is all that I got from FGNormal. Thank you, FGNormal, for this stunning, stunning kit. I can hardly wait to start. So we're going to start this afternoon at 1 Mountain Standard Time, USA. So join me today for Stitch with Me. And yeah. Now, FGNormal has diamond painting, cross stitch, paint by number, tools and crafts for all of that. They always have great prices and a great selection. Something for everyone. Always. Always. And they also have scrapbooking, wood felt, paper quilling, wax sealing, and silk screen stencils. So, like I said, something for everyone. And I do believe that they do custom as well. I'm just not sure if it's in one media than the other. You know, sometimes stores will do it in cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by number. Some will just do in diamond painting. Some will just do in paint by number. So do check that out if that's of interest to you. Thank you guys for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.